Hello, my name is Nancy Sanchez. I will be doing number 9A. Construct a truth table for the following. P or Q, parentheses, and the negation of P. Okay, now let's go to this truth table. For P and Q, I already filled it in because this is already given to us. So now we're going to go ahead and do P or Q. And for this part, we're just going to go based on the OR's definition. Okay, so for OR, the definition is a disjunction of P and Q and is defined to be false if and only if both P and Q are false. Otherwise, it's true. And the only time where both P and Q is false would be right here. Therefore, we're going to write false, and the rest would be true. So we're going to write true for this one, and this one. Okay, now we are going to negate P. And here's the P. We're just going to do the opposite from all of these. So for true, this is false. And for another true, another false. False, true, and then another false is another true. Okay, now we are going to do the next one. P or Q and the negation of P. And the only time where this is going to be true is when both of these are true. And we could see that the only time they're true it would be in this section. So we're going to write true, and the other ones are going to be false. Okay, so that's it. Now we're going to go to B. Construct a truth table for the following. The negation of Q through P. Okay, for this one we're just going to look for we already know the definition, which is for this one, which is when the statement is false and the hypothesis is true. I mean, when the statement is true and the hypothesis is false, and that is right here. When Q is true and P is false. So that's how we know this is false and the rest is true. And now we're just going to negate for this one what we just did here. So this would be false, false, true, and false. Okay, and now for letter C. Is P or Q, parentheses, and the negation of P equivalent to the negation of Q through P? We're going to go and check if this is equivalent to this one. And if you see, it is equivalent. So we're going to write yes. And that's it. Thank you.